Hello guys, I'm Aljan H. Barrera from PSECE 3C. This video is about metadata, EC23 Performance Task 1. So, metadata. What is metadata? Metadata summarizes basic information about making and finding and working with particular instances of data easier. So why metadata is important in our daily life? The best example is in the products. You can identify the products that you buy. Of what kind of product is it? If it is a fruit, if it is a package of some type of something, or is it a drink, or whether it is a perishable or not. The date of entry and the exit of warehouse, the expiration date, and the supplier, product, and its origin. These are some examples of metadata. Metadata makes your life easier. So, this example is for the metadata of its 2016 sales. You can identify your sales in the month of January, February, and so on. The variation, the forecast. You can also identify where the products has been made, the date of the products of its expiration, and every cans can also find metadata. It is located at the back or at the bottom. You can find there the expiration date of your drinks. So next, it is the locating and validating the IMEI or International Mobile Equipment Identity. You can find or locate the IMEI of your mobile phone at the back of your phone. So to identify if it is valid or not, we have to use the lens algorithm. First, you have to put the digit of your IMEI. Then next is you have to use the lens algorithm. So it is specified as weight. Then the product. So you have to times the digit times weight. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 is cannot be written as 10. You have to add the two numbers. For example, 10, 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. So you have to write it is in 1. It is according to Lenz's algorithm. So 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 0 times 1 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 is cannot be written. So 1 and 2 is 12. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So I put there 3. 9 times 1 is 9. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 is cannot be. So 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Then 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 is cannot be. So 12 will be 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 5 plus 1 is equals to 5 times 1 is equals to 5. 8 times 2 16. So cannot be. So 6 plus 1 is gonna be 7. 6 times 1 is 6. So the total of the product must be divisible by 10. So the total of my product is 60. So it is divisible by 10. So the IMEI of my mobile phone is valid. Then next, locating and validating the UPC or Universal Product Code. So I use there the Nivea.com. So the UPC is located at the back of the product. So you can see there the number of the product or the digit. So it is 421319 and 46. So put the digit there, and the way to identify if it is valid or not. So it is 313131 and so on. So product, you have to times the digit times weight. So 4 times 3 is 12. Locating, so it is 12. You have to put there 12. Locating the UPC is different from locating the IMEI of your mobile phone. You can put 12 in locating the UPC, unlike the IMEI you have to add it, but in the UPC you can put the direct 12. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, 9 times 1 is 9, 4 times 2 is 12, 6 times 1 is 6. So the overall answer of the product is 50, and it is divisible by 10. So our answer is valid. So that's all. In metadata, makes our lives easier in our daily life. You can identify it through the products. It makes our life easier. We can locate where the products came from, the expiration date, the ingredients that used in the products. Sometimes there are some procedures, and all the things in the products is located at the metadata. So that's all. Thank you.